जैसा कि मैंने पहले के टॉक में मैंने बोला था कि आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट द सिम्टम्स ऑफ पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू criteria of cluster A, cluster B and cluster C. So in this talk I am going to tell you about the cluster A. Cluster A is described into three forms. Number one is paranoid type and schizoid type, and the third is a schizotypal type. So paranoid type, first of all I would like to tell about the paranoid type. Paranoid type is such a people those who have a mistrust, those who have a suspiciousness, and those who have a disorganized their thinking process, and they always search such a point, such a thing. Those those are into a doubtful phase. Like for example, जैसे कि उनको ऑलवेज़ लगेगा कि उन्हें पुट डाउन किया जा रहा है और उनके पीछे कुछ कॉन्स्पिरेसी चल रही है, और अगर लोग हंस भी रहे हैं तो उनकी बुराई कर रहे हैं, और लोग उनकी मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. एंड दैट इज़ वाई व्हेन दे हैव दिस थिंग समटाइम्स इट बिकम्स वेरी exaggerated form. So when it becomes exaggerated form, then they start having that feeling जैसे कि उनको मार दिया जाने वाला है, या उनके खाने में जहर मिला दिया जाने वाला है, या उनकी पत्नी का किसी के साथ गलत रिलेशन जैसा हो गया है, या पति का किसी के और के साथ संबंध हो गया है. So these are the thinking pattern gets maladaptive nature, and because of they get suspicious in nature, so they try to avoid social gatherings, and they try to they try to avoid social interactions, or have a difficulty in interpersonal relationships, and that is why they lack the humorous joyful events or joyful life. Number 3, and these people also have some grandiosity one point of time in their life. So grandiosity, they think what they are thinking is correct, and what the other are going to convince them it's not a correct. So वो एक होता है पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स और एक होता है पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर. Personality disorder and personality traits, there's a difference. If they have a suspicious type of personality, so they do not they are comfort in nature. They do not have any impairment in their psychosocial and occupational life functioning. But those who are suffering from such a disorders, so they are their day-to-day life gets disturbed, and their occupational and social and interpersonal all gets affected by their thought process. So this is the basic trait and disorders. So this is number 1 is a paranoid. So they do not like the humor because they are hypersensitive about the things. And number 2 is a schizoid personality disorder. Schizoid personality disorder, as the name indicates, they become very socially withdrawn type, and they are socially isolated, and they remain aloof, and they do not have interest to go into the social groups, and make initiating and making friends, and isolating themselves from the persons and from the groups. And even such a people do not have that emotionality level to feel like a praise or criticism. So they are not bothered, they are not concerned whether the person is praising or criticizing. They don't have that emotional component to express themselves when they are happy or when they are not happy. Even in the any happy moments, they are like a cold shouldering. Their face will be very cold and very which is called as a alexithymic type. And these also persons have lack of humorous feeling, and their behavior become very odd and eccentric. So because of schizoid personality disorder, the person seems to be very shy, and seems to be very introvert. But it's not like that they are shy and introvert. Even they have this kind of the temperament, or that temperament is not making them feel in a comfort zone and in a happy zone or kind of a relaxed zone. So because of this, they sometimes they feel very guilty about it, or may sometimes they get a very rejected and feeling of neglected by others in the society. So what happens, their life becomes a very miserable and very problematic. This is the schizoid type personality. And number three is a schizotypal personality. Schizotypal personality has a more or less as an acute and transient psychotic episode. They are more towards this magical thinking, or kind of a eccentric thinking. So they are more eccentric type. They are more magical prone, like a kind of a thinking, some kind. Their delusions or hallucinations seems to be a little bit like a psychosis, but they are not psychosis, pure psychosis, but their thought process seems to be like they have it has a delusions and all. These people also not enjoy the humorous thing. So their behavior is a resembling with a schizophrenia, but not exactly the schizophrenic type. So these are the personality types. They have a disorder and they need a treatment, psychosocial treatment, where the medicines is also required with mild doses of antipsychotic and also psychotherapy or cognitive behavior therapy. एंड द पीपल वॉट द पीपल थिंक इन अवर सोसाइटी कि अरे ये तो बिगड़ैल है, या शक्की मिजाज का है, या अकेले में रहने वाला है, या बहुत जल्दी किसी बात को बुरा मान जाता है और अपने आप को अलग थलग रखता है, और ये क्या बताएं, ये ऐसा ही शुरू से रहा है. तो द पीपल हैव सम नेग्लिजेंस, और द पीपल यूज टू थिंक लाइक वो ऐसा ही है और ये ऐसा ही रहने वाला है, लेकिन they do not know what is happening with them, and how for they need a professional help, so that they can also lead their life normal in day to day happy moment of life. So ये मैंने आपको बताया कि what are the disorders, personality disorders are staying in the normal society, but they are suffering from such a disorders, and because of their personality disorders, the people around them are suffering a lot, because they need extra efforts to deal with them. They need extra input to face such a people. They need extra stamina or tolerance power to converse with them, and to stay with them, and to make them understand about the situations and about the behavioral pattern, about the thinking pattern. But for the patients, it is very hard, it is very difficult or hard to understand what is a normal situation, what is not normal situation. So ये एक तरीके से ऐसी कंडीशन होती है जिसमें ना ही अस्पताल में ले जाया जा सकता है, और ना ही वो अपने आप को बीमार समझता है, और परिवारजन जो उनके साथ रह रहे होते हैं उसकी समस्या, जो व्यक्तिगत जैसी समस्याओं से जो गुजर रहे होते हैं, उनके साथ ज़िंदगी जीना एक दूभर हो जाता है. और ऐसी ज़िंदगी जीने में ऐसा लगता है या तो मैं खुद भाग जाऊं या उसको भगा दूं, ये कंडीशन हो जाती है. तो ऐसे में इलाज की आवश्यकता होती है, फैमिली काउंसलिंग की आवश्यकता होती है, कपल काउंसलिंग की आवश्यकता होती है, एंड साइकोथेरेपी की आवश्यकता होती है. देयर आर सम अदर वेरियस टेक्निक्स जिनकी आवश्यकता होती है, और वो टेक्निक के साथ उनको एक सेट ऑफ बिलीफ सिस्टम, सेट ऑफ नॉर्मलसी, सेट ऑफ सोशल नॉर्म्स के अंतर्गत रखने की कोशिश करने में मदद दी जाती है, और मरीज़ ठीक होते पाए गए हैं. और एक प्यार की उन्हें ज़रूरत होती है, जो कि फैमिली मेम्बर्स उसे उस प्यार, उस सद्भावना के साथ उसकी मदद नहीं कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इमोशनल क्लिंगनेस एंड इमोशनल एक्सपेक्टेशंस. So this is what myself, Dr. Anjali Gupta, as a clinical psychologist, as I registered, and I have 30 years of experience in my clinical practice, and I hope so you would like my content, what I'm telling to you. I'm going to help you in your life, and even within the family, without the family, your friends and relatives, those who are suffering from these disorders. And my contact number is 9935224997. Please contact me if you have some kind of a such people and they need help. So good night, see you, bye bye, namaskar.